In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Research Rabbit with Zotero. We'll walk through a quick workflow in Zotero that makes it easier to explore papers in Research Rabbit later, starting with a precise, targeted search of your library. Keeping your search tight in Zotero gives Research Rabbit a cleaner dataset to work with, which leads to better discovery. Begin by opening Zotero on your computer. Even if you usually manage citations from your word processor, the tools we need live right inside Zotero itself. Once Zotero is open, look to the menu bar at the top of the window and click Edit. From that menu, choose Advanced Search. This opens Zotero's powerful search builder, which lets you filter your items with precision. In the Advanced Search window, set the search to run on your library. This tells Zotero to scan your entire collection rather than, say, a single open collection pane. It's helpful when you want a comprehensive sweep of your materials before narrowing down to what matters most for your Research Rabbit session. Next, fine-tune how the search behaves. Use the match setting to decide whether all your conditions must be true or whether any one of them is enough. Match all is great for laser-focused results, like author is a specific name and year is a certain range. Match any is better when you're exploring related themes and don't want to miss borderline items. As you add conditions, think about the fields that matter: title, creator, publication, year, tags, and even note contents, so the search keys in on the signal, not the noise. You'll also see options to search sub-collections and to show only top-level items. Turning on Search Sub-Collections lets the query look inside every folder and subfolder, which is perfect if your library is deeply organized. Show only top-level items hides attachments and child notes in the results, so you're viewing just the primary entries, like articles and books. That makes scanning and selecting far faster, and it prevents duplicate-looking clutter from slowing you down. When you're happy with the criteria, run the search and review the results. The tighter and more relevant these items are, the better your downstream experience will be when you switch to Research Rabbit to explore networks, co-authorships, and related works. If you find a query you'll use often, consider keeping it consistent so you can quickly reproduce the same focused set of items before each Research Rabbit session. That's it. By using Edit, Advanced Search, Library Scope, the right match setting, and the sub-collection and top-level item options, you create a clean, curated slice of your Zotero library that's ready for deeper discovery in Research Rabbit.